What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out the derivative of 2x minus 5 to the power of negative 1 times x squared minus 5x to the power of 6. So here I need to use chain rule, differentiation, and also I need to use product rule. Chain rule is saying that dy over dx, which is the derivative of y with respect to x, is going to be derivative of y with respect to u times derivative of u with respect to x. On the other hand, product rule is saying that whenever you have u times v and you want to find out derivative, that's going to be u prime times v plus u times v prime. So it's going to be the derivative of the first one times the second plus the first one times the derivative of the second. So dy over dx will be negative 1 times 2x minus 5 to the power of negative 2 times derivative of 2x minus 5, which is 2, times x squared minus 5x to the power of 6 plus first one times derivative of the second, which is going to be 2x minus 5 to the power of negative 1 times 2x minus 5 times 6 times x squared minus 5x to the power of 5. So 2 times negative 1, negative 2, 2x minus 5 to the power of negative 2 times x squared minus 5x to the power of 6 plus 6 times (2x minus 5 times 2x minus 5 to the power of negative 1). These two cancels out because the bases are the same. When you add the exponent, it's going to be 0. Any expression to the power of 0 is 1. So it's going to be 6 times x squared minus 5x to the power of 5. So that will be negative 2 x squared minus 5x to the power of 6 divided by 2x minus 5 to the power of 2 plus 6 times x squared minus 5x to the power of 5. What we can do here, we can leave it like that. That's the most simplified form of the answer. So that's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You have access to many other videos regarding differentiation, integration, and other topics in calculus, physics, and chemistry.